In my last video, I shared with you favorable conditions that makes cockroaches thrive in our kitchen and home. I will share with you what to do to be free from these cockroaches. But before that, let me introduce my DIY cleaner. This DIY cleaner is a homemade remedy for cockroaches and flies, name them. It's very simple to make but powerful in action. Do not underestimate the power of this DIY I will share with you. Just give it a try and you will love it. Especially if you run a restaurant or you own a restaurant, you will love it more because it would not only chase cockroaches but also flies and keep your tables and table mat sparkling clean, leaving a good fragrance. So let's get started. This DIY cleaner contains orange peel. Orange peel has insecticidal activities against cockroaches, housefly, etc. It contains a natural enzyme called limonene, which is very effective at keeping insects at bay. Also, it has an appealing fragrance. The next recipe is vinegar. Vinegar removes stains and keeps things sparkling clean, but not applied directly on some objects like furnitures. In this combo, it leaves the countertop, gas top, tabletop, table mat, etc. sparkling clean and stain-free from food particles that can attract cockroaches and other insects. Another one is baking soda. Baking soda kills cockroaches when consumed. Also, in this combo with orange peel, gives the kitchen a fresh and pleasant smell. The next recipe is liquid soap. You can use any liquid soap of your choice, but use a little quantity of it so it does not foam in excess. Don't worry, I will leave the recipe and the actual measurements in the description box and in the comment section. Now I have sieved out the orange peel water. Next, I will add vinegar to it. The next is the liquid soap. Lastly, I'll go in with the baking soda. After adding the baking soda to it, mix very well and pack into container for use. Now the DIY cleaner is ready to help you chase cockroaches away so you can enjoy a cockroach-free kitchen and home at large. But before using this DIY cleaner, there are steps you need to take in your home to chase cockroaches far, far away from your kitchen and home. You can use this DIY cleaner to clean your countertop, gas top, table mat, appliances, walls, and floor in the kitchen and around the home. This DIY cleaner helps to keep the kitchen and home sparkling clean, stain-free, and smell fresh. See you in my next video where I will share with you the things you have to do to be free from cockroaches. Please give a thumbs up to this video. Subscribe to this channel is free, subscription is free, and follow us on Facebook at Chinel Place. Thanks for stopping by Chinel's Place. Till then, stay positive and stay happy. Bye-bye.